thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where we talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. So previously, I told you that we would see a key support level hold based on the indicators, and you could see a bearish retest. And if this kiss of death happens, you get parabolic downside. This is a shorting opportunity. So on MEXC, go on MEXC, use the link in the description. They're giving away $9,100. Take advantage of that. It's free money. And then I'm giving away $500 on MEXC. You must use the link in the description, the Crypto Revolution MEXC partnership link, and you will be eligible for $9,100 plus $500. It's going to be epic. This is going to be MEXC is going to be the next Binance. This is the Bitcoin 15-minute chart, and we talked about this exact idea. I said, hey, you're looking for this key support level to hold based on the indicators, and then a bearish retest. And that's exactly what happened. Parabolic downside. Whenever you get these parabolas, you're in trouble, right? You are in trouble. This is parabolic downside. And so this came up, retested the pattern, and Bitcoin's gotten rocked to the downside. Now, I want to go to this time frame, and it's not necessarily good news at all. Okay. And so understand that you had a rising wedge that bull traps, right? Whenever I say bull trap, I sell. I close all my positions immediately, right? Whenever I say bear trap, like you saw here, I open positions, right? I trade the traps, right? Patterns are great to trade. My strategy is centered around trading the traps, and I trade the traps. Now, the most important thing here is we were looking and hoping for a bullish double bottom, but you didn't get it. You broke back down, and unless you break back above this support level, you're coming back down to this support level here at $27,000. If $27,000 doesn't hold, we're coming down to $26,000. And if that doesn't hold, $25,200, which is no surprise because we've been talking about those numbers. If we just look at a Bitcoin 2-hour chart, I want you to see the shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. This is a complex head and shoulders pattern. If this breaks to the downside, you haven't had the volume yet. You're showing oversold on the RSI, so you could see a bounce, but you don't want this to bounce and bearishly retest here and then break lower. Okay, so you need this thing to bounce and then start to work higher. A lot of people are coming in here and they're drawing these triangles. Well, guess what? The triangle broke to the downside, and if the triangle's the actual pattern, which I haven't been drawing the triangle, I mean, you're coming down here to 25,500. Okay, that's not what we want as bullish traders. But the great thing about MEXC is you can short this market and you can make a ton of money. And I'll give you a couple examples. This young lady, I was almost getting emotional. Just the best thing, you are an inspiration. So they started on MEXC and they're shorting Pepe, right? Pepe had amazing run up and then 20x short. They made 60% profits real quick. ARB, 115% gains on a short. This person from Greece, they joined the group. They're up 90% in 55 days. This person, I joined the group a year ago. I had no idea what drawing patterns and technical ideas went into trading at all. I learned a new life skill thanks to you. I mean, think about this. They have no clue what they're doing, and now they're traders. This is a life skill that you can take from Forex to stock market to crypto, and you will make millions of dollars over the course of your lifetime. It pays for itself in 1 or 2 trades. It's a no-brainer. This person didn't know anything. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know anything. I made $19,000 in 50 days. Banger after banger after banger. We nail all the best setups, and I'll make sure you continue to stay in those setups. Right now, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group. Listen, we've got a few hours left. I'm going to go ahead and extend it for another 24 hours, then the discount's over. The discount is over. I've just had so many emails. People just, can I get a little bit more time? Can I get paid on this day for a little bit longer? The next 24 hours, and then it's done. The discount is over. $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance, if this thing breaks out higher, it's going to be very bad for the altcoins. The idea of a double top is in play. Will you see, let's see if a triangle fits in this. Will you see some kind of triangle? Not sure right here on this. I mean, it could be a descending triangle where Bitcoin dominance comes down lower, right? But you do not want to see, for the altcoins to take off, a move to the upside. So we've got some very critical times ahead in Bitcoin. As I always say, do not hold the downtrends. And what defines a downtrend? This is an uptrend, right? You got your low, your high, your higher low, your higher high, your higher low, your higher high, and then a breakdown. Okay, so then you have your low, your high, but then you put in a lower low, and then this high is a lower high, and then this is a lower low, and then another lower high, and then a lower low, and then another lower high. This thing is a falling wedge. It needs to break out to the upside to give some relief. However, if we go over to this chart, you're coming up, and this used to be support right here. This used to be support right here, but now it's coming up, and you could get a bearish retest. If you don't break and flip this level, let me extend this line, the falling wedge, you're going to see more downside, and you come back down here to 27,000, and you have to hold 27,000. You had a double bottom here, but if you don't, again, 26,000, 25,200. If you're shorting on MEXC, you're making a killing right now. Remember, for the $9,100 in rewards, to be eligible for the $500 giveaway, you must use the Crypto Revolution MEXC VIP link in the description. That's it. No one else is doing this, period. Remain positive during these times. We've got a bull run coming. If you've got to make money in these markets when we're moving sideways, this choppy price action, and I'll show you how to do that, right? But the key is you have to grow your bag along the way, and we have amazing upside over the next 15, 16 months. In 2024, December of 2024, bull run mania. Now it's going to start a lot sooner than that. We're going to see a point where we level out and we move sideways. You get some sideways chop like we talked about, and then this thing just takes off. You got the Litecoin halving and the Bitcoin halving coming. And these prices will do things you will not even believe. So don't let this get you down that Bitcoin pulled back a little bit and the altcoins took a hit, because the upside is going to change your life like it did mine. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.